Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to securely connect the ZentroBiz Desktop Agent to your ZentroBiz web app and verify that both services are connected.
Welcome to ZentroBiz. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Drake tags to ZentroBiz using the ZentroBiz Desktop Agent. To begin, sign into your ZentroBiz account and open the Settings page. From the Settings menu, select Desktop Sync Agent. Then click Download Desktop Agent at the top of the page to download the installer. You can generate a separate connection token for each computer you want to assign to a staff member. These two tokens are no longer needed, so I'll revoke them before generating a new one. Once the Windows application has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the installer. Once the installation is complete, the desktop agent should open automatically. There it is. In the server URL field, enter the correct web address. Make sure it begins with HTTPS and does not end with a /. If your firm uses a custom domain, enter it here. Otherwise, use the standard ZentroBiz server address provided by your administrator. Next, paste the installation token created for this computer and its assigned staff member. Enter a descriptive label so you can easily identify the computer or staff member associated with this token. Then, choose how long the token should remain valid. Let me reopen that window and continue. For this example, I'll set the expiration period to 90 days. Now, I'll generate the installation token. For security, this token will be displayed only once. Copy it and store it securely. If it is lost, revoke the token and generate a new one. Next, copy the installation token, paste it into the token field, and select Connect. Once the connection is successful, the Desktop Agent dashboard will open. Confirm that the status shows Connected and that the correct business name appears. The Connected Systems section also displays recent activity, including the CSV file that was processed and the number of records imported. This is where you configure the folder containing your Drake installation. In this example, Drake is installed on the C drive. Select the correct drive for each required Drake folder. After confirming the folder locations, select Save, and then start the sync engine. The status now confirms that 3 client records have been synchronized. Once the connection and synchronization statuses look correct, you can minimize the desktop agent. Keep it running in the background whenever you want Drake and the ZentroBiz web app to remain synchronized. If you don't need synchronization for a while, you can close the agent and reopen it whenever you're ready to resume. Next, open Drake tags. For this demonstration, I'm using a set of test client accounts. From the main menu, select Tools. Then choose File Maintenance. And select Export Client EF Data. In the Export window, select Export to CSV, which creates a comma-separated values file. Because the destination folder has already been configured in the ZentroBiz Desktop Agent, you don't need to change any additional settings here. Confirm that EF, DBF, and CSV are selected. Next, select Export Client CSV and then choose Continue. The export summary now shows 8 client records. This total includes the test clients because they were not excluded from this export. That explains the total shown here. Next, select the option shown here. Leave this option selected and then choose Continue. This step also exports the electronic filing data. When the export is complete, close this window and return to the desktop agent to review the synchronization activity. The synchronization is now in progress. Depending on the number of files and client records, this process may take a few moments to complete. The activity log shows that the client data was processed 2 minutes ago. Now, let's return to the ZentroBiz web app. We'll confirm that the client records synchronized successfully. Before refreshing, the client's page shows 93 records. After refreshing, the total has increased to 99. This confirms that 6 new client records were synchronized and created automatically. In ZentroBiz, the synchronized client now appears in the list, along with the information imported from Drake. For this public demonstration, all sensitive information, including social security numbers, has been masked to protect client privacy. This completes the synchronization of your client records and electronic filing database. When a tax return is filed and accepted, its updated status can also be synchronized with ZentroBiz. The new client records shown here are currently marked in progress. Once a return is accepted, the updated information will appear in the ZentroBiz web app, including the client portal, client dashboard, and tax organizer. The tax organizer will also update automatically as synchronized information becomes available. You have now successfully connected the ZentroBiz Desktop Agent to the ZentroBiz web app and configured Drake synchronization. If you have any questions or need assistance, please submit a support ticket through ZentroBiz. Our support team will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. ZentroBiz, the operating system for modern accounting firms.